guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm putting in my kids' Easter basket. All of these things are from Target. I picked most of them up from the dollar section, so I would say they're very affordable. There's a couple items that are not in that typical $1 to $5 range, so I will share the prices as much as I can. But yes, everything is from Target. I did my best to keep it fair between the boys. There might be a few more things that Gio has that Lennox doesn't have, but Gio is older. But I did my best. Like, majority of it is apples for apples. So to start off, I got them some new basic baskets, and these are from the Spritz brand. These were $9 a piece. I didn't realize till I got home that you're supposed to actually pick a liner for these baskets, so I don't have liners for them. But honestly, it doesn't really bother me at all. I'm just gonna fill them with grass anyway and put the items in there. I wanted to stick with a basic reusable basket, and I promised myself that I'm not buying them any other Easter baskets unless these break or something. I'm done buying Easter baskets, so that's why I stick to a very basic Easter baskets, because I hate having a collection of these. This is the last one. I'm telling myself this is the last one. To start off, it's not in any specific order, but I got each of them one of these little paint your own wood ornaments. So there's a bunny and there's a bee. I don't know who's getting who, but I thought that it would be cute to do, like, Lennox do like a finger painting, or maybe he can try to use a brush, I'm not sure. And then Gio loves to paint. He's very creative. He likes to draw, paint, color. So I thought he would enjoy this to do with his brother. Obviously, we're gonna keep our eye on Lennox while he's painting, as we always do, but I thought that would be cute. These are from the dollar section, $1 a piece. Next in their baskets, they're each getting a book. I couldn't find Gio a Easter related book that was age appropriate, so I ended up just getting him this Where's Waldo book. I thought it would be fun for us as a family to do it together. It was $8.99, and then I got Lennox this Animal Baby book. The thing about books that gets me is the illustrations. Like, how cute are these animals and the colors? Like, that's the stuff that sells me on a book, if I don't already know, like, it's a very good book. Next in their baskets, they're each getting these socks with bunnies on them. They are matching. I thought that was super cute. I was able to find a sock that was in each size. So obviously this is Gio's, this is Lennox, and they're gonna get a kick out of that. At least Gio is, because he loves socks and he likes matching his brother. This is this random, and I actually didn't mean to get this. I meant to put this back, but it was only $1. This is a sticker in place scene, so it has 31 reusable stickers, and he just applies it to, you know, the page. I was gonna put this back because I thought it was a little young for him, but it ended up staying in my basket. Lennox these colors and shapes flashcards, which it says 3 and 3+, but to me that's just a suggestion. Like, it's never too young to start teaching your kids colors, shapes, and stuff like that. Obviously I'll do them with him, or Anthony would do them with him. Even Gio can do it with him, but I thought that would be cute to put in his basket. Got this candy because Gio isn't really a sweets person, but he does like chewy candies, and this was in the dollar section, so I just picked him up that. For their large item in their basket, which is like a more expensive item, this Dogman Guide to Creating Comics in 3D. This was $8.99 or $10.99, and it just comes with the 3D glasses, a special pen, and then it comes with the pages inside so he can do comics in 3D. Thought he would get a kick out of that because he likes to draw, like I said, and he loves the series, the Dogman, like the chapter books. He loves reading those. He has a couple. And then for Lennox large item, I'm not sure how much this was. This was just in the Easter section because it's called the Squeeze and Squeak Easter eggs, only at Target supposedly. And it just has these cute little animals, and I don't hear them squeaking, but they're cute and they're large, like, you know, squeezable, and I just thought that was a very cute little Easter related toy to put in his basket. To stick as close as I can to Easter related, you know, tchotchkes, you know, little thingies, whatever they call them. I do put some things in there that's not specifically Easter, but yeah. Next, I got them each these finger paints. This is a mystery color, so this will be for Gio, and then this is blue. I got this one for Lennox. It's just a finger paint soap. Soap? What the hell? Anyways, these were just $1 a piece. So I just grabbed them each one. I thought that would be fun. Obviously, pay attention, stick with them, which you should be doing anyway when they're in the bath, but yeah, I'll make sure Lennox doesn't eat it. Then I got them each these light up thingamajigs. I got Lennox this little ball just because it's safer, I guess. It's not a choking hazard. It was $1, and then got Gio this, what are these called? Puffy critter. This one is like one of those, and it's a bunny. So yeah, thought those were cute. Got to work with this brand. This is the Made in Manhattan toy company. They did send me some things earlier in the month of March. This is not a sponsored video, but I decided to buy some more stuff from their brand just because they're so cute. These are like little squishies. So this is a fox, this one's for Gio, and this is a Saturn, which I thought it was a baby chick. When I just saw yellow and orange, I was like, oh, baby chick, let me get it, it's perfect for Easter. It's actually Saturn, so either way, he'll love it. They're cute. These were $5.99 a piece, and they are the Made in Manhattan toy brand. I love them, they're so cute. Another matching item I got the boys were these sunglasses. Try to get them same style as close as possible. So this is obviously Lennox's, this is Gio's. This was $3 and this was $1. I just thought that would be cute since we have a pool. They can be back there. Obviously they're probably not gonna wear them, but I can get a picture with them. And to me, that's worth it. Their next items that for each, I got Gio or Lennox these wooden little cars. They have wheels on them, so I got him the little police car. These were $1 a piece, and the fire truck. So I love wooden toys, so I got those for his basket. And then Gio, I got him these grow Easter bunnies and Easter eggs. You just put them in water and they grow. He gets a kick out of these things, and like those little rags that grow, but they're really just super pressed rags, and you put them in water. I try not to take his joy when it comes to those, but yeah, I just got him these things because he's into that. Their next things are, these are not the same obviously, but they had no more bunny ears, so I had to pick up something else for Gio, so I got him this 3D wooden puzzle. He would enjoy this more anyway. It's just a dinosaur that he gets to build. I thought that would be cool to do together, and Lennox would like, he needs bunny ears. He needs it, like he freaking needs it. So bubbles for Lennox. These are just, it's just a bubble wand. It was $1. I mean, obviously we're gonna do the bubbles for him, but I thought that he would enjoy that, so I'm gonna put that in his basket. And then for Gio, I went a different route. I got him this little chunky notebook, and it's just like 125 blank pages where he can draw, color, do whatever he wants. This was $3. And then I thought it was cute that they both had like a frog on them, so that was cute. That's what ties it together. And then I just got this, we needed band-aids, so I got these 20 count band-aids for $1, and they have dinosaurs on them. We love dinosaurs in this family. I think that's it. That's everything that's going to be going in their basket. Besides, I also bought some grass to put in their basket. These were $2 a piece, which is kind of expensive, but we need it. Like the eggs were cheaper. These were 12 for $1, and that was $2. Got these 5 packs of 12 count eggs so we can do an Easter egg hunt. We typically go to my best friend's mom's house for Easter, but that's not going to be happening this year, so I need to make the best out of the situation, so that's why I got these. Lastly, I picked up some candy. This is the trolli, which we freaking love trollis in this house. It's our favorite candy. This one has the sour egg bites, crawlers, sour crawlers, and sour bright gummy beans. So bomb. I love chewy sour candy, or even just gummies in general. So this is kind of more for me and Anthony. We love this. But this is to also fill the eggs. And then we also got, well, I also got this 235 piece candy, which I later found out was $20, and I'm kind of pissed that I bought this and I can't return it because they're not doing any returns at Target, especially for something as candy. So worth $20? Not sure, but it is what it is. So I'm going to be using that to fill the eggs and to eat along with my wine. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. That's everything that I'm going to be putting in my kids' Easter basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.